Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing a deliciously fall recipe, salted pumpkin caramels. These treats are the perfect blend of sweetness and autumn flavors. Let's get started. First, we'll need 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Make sure it's the unsweetened variety for the best results. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of corn syrup, half a cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Stir until everything is well combined. Add in the pumpkin puree and continue stirring until the mixture reaches a soft boil. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Now, it's time to add some fall spices. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and half a teaspoon of sea salt. These will give our caramels that perfect autumn taste. Once the mixture reaches 245 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the caramel mixture into a greased baking dish. Let it cool for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm to the touch. Once the caramels have cooled, use a sharp knife to cut them into bite-sized pieces. For an extra touch of fall, sprinkle some sea salt on top of each caramel. Trust me, it takes the flavors to a whole new level. And there you have it, deliciously fall salted pumpkin caramels that are perfect for snacking or gifting. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats.